the lead in directing sa pinakahinihintay na adaptation ng Bad Genius, the series sa Viva One. Sa kanyang malikhaing pananaw, handa na siyang maghatid ng isang bago at kapanapanabik na bersyon sa kwentong ito. Everyone, a warm welcome to Direk Derek Cabrido. Hello, Direk. You may stay center stage. Our very good-looking, handsome director. Hello po, magandang hapon. Bati po
Good
kayo.
afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat sa pagpunta sa aming MediaCon and cast reveal ng Bad Genius.
Alright, syempre maririnig din natin mula kay Direk kung ano ang kanyang original or twist base sa mga napanood natin worldwide. Okay, I know everyone is eager to meet the incredible cast bringing Bad Genius, the series, to life. The wait is over, ladies and gentlemen. Let's introduce the brilliant minds behind the deception. Meet Grace Ann Dizon, the ultimate it girl. She is popular, stylish, at may di mapantayang charm. Pero huwag magpalinlang, sa likod ng kanyang kaakit-akit na ngiti ay isang taong alam eksakto kung paano makuha ang gusto niya. With her wit and confidence, she plays the game her way.
When I heard that I got the part, I don't know, I just thought about how it's my best friend's favorite movie, and she also enjoyed the series there. Just to know that I'm being a part of that, I just felt really honored that I was trusted. Grace, I would say she's a very outgoing person, very kind, bubbly. She can be very energetic as well. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to the execution of the whole team, especially with Direk. And I trust his vision. And I know that so many people are going to like it.
Here comes Grace. A warm welcome to Hyacinth Caliado. Okay, please stay center stage for your solo photo. Again, thank you to all our friends from the press and content creators. Maraming salamat for being here. Okay, thank you, Haya. You may say a few words to everybody here.
Hello po everyone! Kamusta po sa inyong lahat? It's nice to see you guys, and we're very excited to share this whole project with you all. So, yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Meet Patrick Joseph Troseco. Cool, confident, and always ready with a smile. Pero huwag siyang maliitin. Sa likod ng kanyang casual na ugali, he knows how to play the game and navigate the high-stakes world he is in. Sino nga ba si Patrick Joseph Troseco? Let's all watch this.
Kailangan ko na yung you got the road. And I was really excited and grateful na makasama si Patrick. Si Pat, isa siyang anak ng one of the wealthiest sa country, and then, you know, I could say, medyo mayabang. He gets whatever he wants, so through money. I think Pat is a bad genius because he's really good with money and he uses it, you know, to get whatever he wants. And he plays a big role dito rin sa gagawin niya ng heist kasi siya yung turuan ng mga clients, di ba? He's street smart, basically.
Let's hear it for Gab Lagman as Pat. Hi, Gab.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be with us. And yeah.
Of course, we have Haya. Ngayon we have Gab. Hi, Gab. Hi, Gab. now take your seat. So how do you feel? No, kasama kayo ulit sa project.
I am very excited. I'm looking forward to working with Gab again.
Yeah, very grateful and of course another opportunity for us to showcase what we have again. Yeah.
Exactly. One half of the cast pa lang yan, mga kaibigan. Bigatin na agad. Sino pa ang makakasama natin ngayong hapon? Meet Tristan Bangkat, the genius with a sharp mind and unshakable determination. Disiplinado at masipag, naniniwala siyang dapat laruin ang laban ayon sa patakaran. Pero kapag hinarap siya ng imposibleng pagpilian, mananatili ba siya sa kanyang prinsipyo o isusugal ang lahat?
Nung binigay sa akin yung project, syempre, first nagulat ako kasi after yung series, may another project. And then, happy and grateful kasi pinatiwalaan tayo ng Viva na magkaroon ng panibagong work. Si Bang ay isang mapagmahal na anak. And straightforward siya ng tao. And meron siyang sariling values na sobrang sinusunod niya. Especially when it comes to following rules, being definitive with right and wrong. Siguro yung very big pivotal moment niya na from being sobrang firm sa values niya to doing something really, really bad na I don't want to spoil everything to you guys. Abangan nyo kasi literal naging bad genius talaga siya. Really excited. I mean, beyond words yung excitement ko kasi it's really different from everything that I did from my past. Excited ba akong gawin yung mga pivotal moments niya yung iba.
Put your hands together for Jairus Aquino as Bang! Napaka-pogi. Hello, Jairus.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. And yan, enjoy lang tayo today. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. At ngayon, ang sandaling pinakihintay ninyong lahat, kilalanin si Lynette Estrella, ang henyo sa likod ng plano, the mastermind behind the scheme and the genius who changed the game.
Sa totoo lang naiyak ko sa bahay when I found out parang surreal moment. And syempre naman, super grateful po kasi this is such a big opportunity and this is my first and I'm so honored to do such a great project with a great team. Si Lynn is, of course, syempre naman genius siya, pero she's also very mysterious. Maraming siyang personalities in a way and that's going to reveal as the show progresses and I'm excited for you guys to see that. What makes Lynn a bad genius? Siguro yung intuition niya at observation skills. Dahil sobrang matalino siya. Strategizer, planner, lahat. Pero, mabait pa rin si Lynn at silver. Of course, kasi we all go through exams. We all have to go to school and we study, we meet friends along the way, and of course, we need a test. This show, parang it replicates and mirrors what it would be like for an average student taking their exams, yung kaba, yung excitement, yung pinagdaanan of the student for exam stress, lahat. How would I describe my excitement for this show, guys? Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa camera or frame, pero ganun, sobrang excited.
Please give a big round of applause for Atasha Mulak as Lynn. Yan, please say hi to our guest today.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. And I just want to say maraming salamat sa oras niyo for today. And I'm excited to tell you guys more about this project of Mami. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. You may now take your seat. So yan na po, the moment we've all been waiting for. These are the faces behind the deception, the masterminds of the scheme at ang mga karakter na magdadala sa atin sa isang roller coaster ride ng suspense, diskarte at mga unexpected twists. Sa kwento, now let's capture this moment. May I ask our cast and director to please stand?
Patient doon sa mga unang nilabas. especially na meron tayong expectations. Kilala siya worldwide. It was done in the US, in India, and then at the same time you have the movie and the series version. So, malaki yung pinagdaanan namin to develop the whole material. Actually, the whole staff, and the cast as well. We've done several workshops for them. At the same time, inaral namin yung bawat isang character nila para to give a new flavor, a new image, kumbaga, ng Bad Genius na sigurado magugustuhan ng Filipino audience. So, may mga bagay kaming dinagdag dito na hindi siya usually na makikita. So, for next slide, for the character of Lynn, alam na naman natin lahat kung anong character ng Lynn, a brilliant high school student na kung saan siya yung utak at puso ng buong series. And then later on, something happened na kumbaga nag-start ng kumbaga yung the whole cheating na nangyari doon sa school and then up to the national level. So, basically, ano ba yung dinagdag namin dito? I mean, di ba, lahat naman yan ang question natin. May mga facet ng personality sila na hindi pa na-explore ng series na yun yung kumbaga dinagdag namin to be part of this buong project. We added nung first time na inalok nato kay Atasha, I remember is that ang takot namin is that Atasha will accept the project for this. And we were so grateful kay Atasha na nalaman namin na parang, I think it took a week bago namin nalaman kung tatanggapin niya yung project para kami na nila Lins. Si Miss Lins, yung producer ko, I think nandito siya. Nasaan na yun? Nagtatago yun, ayaw magpakita eh. Ayun, si Miss Lins. Sabi ko nga ngayon sa babalita, tinanggap na ba? Hindi ba direct babalitaan kita kung ano magiging resulta ng ano. But we were so grateful na tinanggap ni Atasha yung project for Bad Genius. So now for the character for the next slide, please. Si Grace. Medyo sophisticated yung character ni Grace eh. And we know that Hyacinth will give tagito ng tama doon sa personality and character mismo ni Grace. We have no other person or another actor that we have in mind that will be casted other than Hyacinth for the role. Now next slide po. Same with Gab. Yun. It was hard for us to look for kung sino yung babagay as Pat. Parang mahabang discussion to eh. Kung sinong babagay for the character of Pat until we have this one sit down with all the producers and the creative team, and then isa-isa namin, and then doon lumabas yung pangalan ni Gab, and then I think a week na no? Bago ka namin kinausap about it eh, nung minute ka namin sa office eh. So after that, we know na siya talaga yung personality na hinahanap namin for the role of Pat. And lastly, syempre, si Jairus. Ayun, hindi ko na sasabihin yun. Yun. Well, si character ni Pat, napasok siya for Jairus. I know you have a lot of questions later that you want to ask about the series and how we prepare for the whole material. But right now, bibigay ko yung mic kay Atasha.
Back to you, Direk. Okay, maraming salamat po, Direk. Now we head into our proper Q&A session. Of course, we're in our members of the press. We'll have an opportunity to ask our cast and creative team questions about the series. So here are a few reminders. Because we do have a long list of press today who will be asking, we will limit the questions to one lang po per member. We do hope you cooperate. Maraming salamat po. And also, only ask questions related to the series, no personal and offensive questions. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so here is batch 1 of press na magtatanong ngayong tanghali, starting with June Lalin, followed by MJ Marfori, Eugene Asis, Ana Cerezo, Hannah Mayorka, at Aster Amoyo. That is batch 1. Simulan po natin. From Abante, let's hear from June Lalin.
Yes, Yan, hi! Yes, syempre, Natasha, congratulations. Actually, I heard about this project weeks ago and I'm so happy for you. Yan. And syempre, thank you ha. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit ako nag-thank you sa'yo. Baka ma-insecure sila. Hindi mo, basta, may naalala siya from, natouch ako sa message, naalala mo talaga from the first press con, talagang tinupad mo, okay? Pero eto, Bad Genius, the series for Viva One, pero kami happy kami sa'yo. Alam namin kung gaano ka magaling, kasi hindi ka naman Natasha Mula, hindi ka magaling din, katulad ng parents mo, Aga and Shirley. Pero Natasha, syempre, ang kambal mo, si Andres, namamayagpag ang kanyang Viva One series din na ang mutya ng Section E, milyones talaga ang mga views. Ang lakas-lakas, grabe. Lalong lumakas ang Viva One because of that series also. So, ngayon dito sa Bad Genius, hindi ko ba na-pressure or na-excite ka sundan ng mga yapak ng kambal mo?
I'm very excited. Of course, I'm nervous kasi ito pa yung first lead na project. Pero in terms of the work itself, when I first heard about it, I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be. But as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that.
Yeah. Pero yun, alam ko, pinagandaan nyo na may mga ganap na kayo sa Viva about this, no? Pero syempre, ito, bukod sa, syempre ang susundan nyo is yung Lucha ng Section E. And yung original neto, original movie, talagang super blockbuster. Kaya nga, maraming spin-off, di ba? For the cast na rin, and Derek, yun nga, gaano kayo ka-excited, yun, tapos, kasi yung original nga, di ba, grabe yung feedback.
Sige, sino gusto magsimula? From this end, from Gab.
Hello po. First of all, I'm really grateful and blessed na makasama sa project after po nung ginawa namin na Chasing in the Wild na follow-up po nung Bad Genius. And when I saw the series, it's such a good series and the movie. So, I'm just really excited to shoot this and ibang-iba po kasi ito sa character ko nung last na ginawa ko. So, I'm really excited to showcase what we have.
Siyempre naman po, like, I'm super excited. In terms of pressure, I mean, we all know that this is such an internationally well-loved film and series. And so, just knowing that, we all feel super grateful that we were trusted with the responsibility for these roles. And we're just excited to show everyone the whole story and our characters from a new perspective, a Filipino perspective. So, yeah.
Jairus?
Syempre sobrang excited since it's a different story na madalas nating napapanood sa TV or sa series. And very much excited kasi it's a different material for me. Kaya masaya. And working with Tash, with High pa rin, exciting kasi we'll see kung ano yung may bibigay namin na best namin para sa series na ito.
Syempre excited, sobra, Tito Jun. To be honest, dito, ang daming preparations na ginawa eh. I mean, nung unang inalok sa akin yung project, hindi rin ako kagad na-decide tanggapin siya. Parang pinag-isipan ko muna kasi ang taas ng expectation dun sa buong project. So parang sabi ko nga parang, it's a different material from what I usually do. And then, so parang, paano mo siya babaguhin. Kasi di ba yun ang main problem natin kapag adaptation eh. I mean, ang taas ng expectations, and then kailangan mo tapatan yung expectations, and then anong patakaiba ng project na to sa dito sa mga nagawa na before, how you're going to change it. And ang daming preparations na ginawa ng staff, to be honest, from each department, from the production design, from their costumes, and then the cinematography, even the scoring and the music. And then also, I remember parang kayo guys, may mga preparations kayo eh. Parang hindi ako nagkakamali, you guys done series of workshops. Kasi parang to prepare lang sila para dun sa buong material. Yun.
Also, just wanting to add to that, we're all very, very grateful because even as actors, we all see the effort that the team has put into making this such an incredible story. And they really put a lot of effort paying attention to the details of how to make it unique to our culture and our audience. And thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat for all of that. Thank you.
Siyempre, good luck and congrats on Bongga ng Viva One talaga. Di ba, Pipi?
Sobra.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Jude.